If you guys were to remove your previous addresses from your credit reports, it's not going to mean that you're going to have your account automatically deleted. Usually, if you dispute an account and then it was tied to that previous address, it's going to be easier to get that account removed from your credit reports, but it's not going to affect like your positive account. It's only going to affect your account, your positive account, if you like disputing it, saying it's not yours or something like that. Other than that, you should be good with that. You shouldn't have a problem. And if you have charge offs that's connected to your old addresses, I'm not saying you should just remove them. Let me watch what I say. Um, all I got to say is if that address is not 100% correct, which a lot of times it's not, it may have some errors in there. If it's not 100% correct, then you want to remove it, because a lot of times these charge offs are connected to those old addresses. Get the old addresses removed, and you'll see that the charge off is probably going to come off. And I'm pretty sure that charge off is inaccurate. I just want to make sure I don't say the wrong thing. Like, y'all do this, y'all do that, and it's like y'all be winning, like it'll be working for y'all, but something happened. Like, no, Ricky, you can't say that, and I don't want to mess up anything. So listen carefully, like listen carefully to the little things I am saying. If it's not 100% correct, if say you say 123 Main Street and it say 1233 or 12312 Main Street, if it's any error in your address, like the address is supposed to get removed. And when you get that address removed, it's going to be very easy to get